My name is Belkis Lora, and I am the CEO of Grand Slam Foundation.
Tell us a little bit about what's going on here tonight.
Today we are very blessed because today we are doing a Thanksgiving dinner for the people in our community. So I'm very happy to be collaborating with Agatha House Foundation to prepare this beautiful dinner for all the people in our community. Yeah, but thanks God we have a group of volunteers and our chef, they cooking with a lot of love all day, getting ready for this big event for our community.
Thinking about the community, I see a lot of young ones here today. How does that make you feel?
That makes me feel great, and I feel so excited. There's even people telling me it's their first time that they're celebrating a Thanksgiving dinner. Most of the people that we are having today here is immigrant people that live on the shelter around here. So we are very happy that we could do this for them.
What does it take to put together an event like this?
Well, it's take a lot of work and dedication, and also I think the passion that we have to help the people. That's the most ingredient for the dinner tonight. So I'm very blessed that I have a group of people that we are working together to make sure that this comes true.
Tell a little bit about yourself. How did you get started doing this type of event? How did you get started?
Well, I'm the CEO of Grand Slam Foundation. I started the foundation just working with my kids and the community. But what makes me found the foundation was to see the need that the kids have in our community. We're working on a very low community, so they need a lot of help. Our youth need a lot of help. So I'm very happy to be serving the youth in our community.
Tell a little bit about this location in particular. This location. Can you tell us a lot more about this location?
This is Grand Slam. We are fortunate that we have Grand Slam, the banquet halls. But beside the banquet hall, we do also have the Grand Slam Foundation. So right now we're here in one of our facilities at 478 East Fremont Avenue.
How many facilities do you have?
Thanks God we had two facilities. We have one at the Manhattan location, and we had this one here at the Bronx location.
What next for you? What next?
Well, my goal is to continue working with my community. We hope we continue growing, escalating, having more facilities like this one to help our youth and our community. So our plan is never to stop, because we really have a lot of need in our community, and we need a lot of facilities like this one that could bring services to our people.
Do you count the number of people coming through? I see a lot of people here already. Are you counting?
Right now we have to close like 300 people here.
Okay, but when you come to the foods, right? What's your favorite food as a person who works with food all the time? Tell us about this.
Well, my favorite food is really pasta, but today it's going to be turkey, between you and I.
Anything else you want us to know?
No, I just want to thank God for this opportunity He's giving us today, and for everything and all the blessing He's giving us. And also want to thank God for the bless of being working with Agatha House Foundation. So we're doing a lot of things, great things together for our community.
If people want to reach out to you, how can they do that?
If they want to reach out Grand Slam Foundation, they could always call to a number 718-644-3252 or info@grandslamfoundation.com. Thank you.
So Jeanette, you want to say some words?
Okay, so I'm very happy to be here with my friends Lenny and Jeanette from Agatha House Foundation. And they're going to keep telling you more of this great foundation that they're running. So very happy to be with you and to share this night with you.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Jeanette Joseph Greenaway, and I am the president and CEO of Agatha House Foundation. And we are so absolutely pleased to be here this evening. This is also my husband, Leonard Greenaway, who is here with us today. The organization started as a memorial for my mom, Agatha. My mom was such a pillar in my life, and she passed away, and I wanted to do something to remember her always. So I decided to create something that would help the community, as I always thought she would love and she used to do. Well, my mom used to say things such as, give to your neighbors, treat people fairly. She was a Christian woman, love thy neighbor type of person, always giving, cooking and sharing, and this is something that I strive to do as she did. So this became my passion.
And then we see a wonderful turnout here tonight. How does it feel? Elaborate a little.
The feeling is extraordinary. I feel so good. Sometimes when I feel this good, I wonder if it's wrong to feel so good. To see the people come in, to be able to feed them, to give them the things that they need, I can't describe it.
And like I was saying earlier, lots of kids too.
There are lots of children here. It's nice to know that we can serve the children as well as the adults, but then it's kind of sad to see at the same time.
What's the long-term goal?
The long-term goal for Agatha House Foundation is to try to help our community get through these very difficult times that we are experiencing right now. Not only in serving them food, but hopefully in teaching them how to shop for food, giving them education on different levels, teaching them about nutrition and so many other things I would love to do.
Speaking about nutrition, at what time did you stream for healthy eating? Is that like a process for you?
It actually is. One of the things that we at Agatha House Foundation, what we do is we make sure to give out fresh fruits and vegetables in each one of the distributions that we do. And our distributions are 4 times weekly, and we travel all over the Bronx. We go to Harlem, but nutrition is very important. Our community needs to eat better. So yes, nutrition is a big deal for us. The Bronx is my home. It's where I grew up. It's where my mom and dad lived. So, of course, the Bronx is the first place that we started in the Bronx. But the surrounding boroughs are also very important to us. The same need is in every borough and every community. Our neighbors, we are all neighbors.
Anything else you want people to know you haven't touched on?
Well, Agatha House Foundation, we do so many things in the community, such as we do free tax services, we help people sign up for SNAP, we have classes where we give free classes to seniors, National Diabetes Prevention Program. We also have a music class for seniors that's interested in learning to play the steel pan. We go on trips with young people. The list is endless.
And you mentioned the steel pan. Do you mind sharing the Caribbean heritage in the audience? Where did you love the steel pan come from?
Well, my parents are Antiguan descent, of Antiguan descent, and the steel pan is something that I grew up listening to. So when I met a young man that was willing to teach steel pan to senior citizens, I thought the idea was fantastic. So yes, we share our Caribbean heritage with the community, offering free steel pan lessons. to seniors.
After talking to us, do you want to share
Yes, he is willing to say a few words on camera. This is Leonard Greenaway.
Thank you very much, Jeanette, the founder and CEO of Agata House Foundation. My name is Leonard Greenaway, and I'm very honored to be part of Agata House Foundation. Not only that, Agata House Foundation and Grand Slam Catering Hall collaboration, having this pre-Thanksgiving dinner here tonight is so remarkable. As you can see, the crowd, we're very delighted to have so much people turn out for this dinner tonight, and it's good. It's all good. You know, we're here in the community to serve the community, and hopefully in the future we can expand with our mobile pantry. But as I said, things are going very well, and we're delighted to be here with Grand Slam Catering Hall to serve this dinner tonight. Yes, certainly. I'm from Antigua, West Indies. As I said before, my name is Leonard Greenaway. I migrated to the United States in 1981, and now I am a citizen of the United States, and I try to be very versatile. I love everyone, regardless to whatever nationality you are, and I'm a loving person, and I do love people.
Thank you.
If you'd like to contact us, Agatha House Foundation, our number is 646-335-2334. We are also on Instagram at Agatha House Foundation, also on Facebook, and our website, www.agathahousefoundation.com.